Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you where all the Easter egg locations are, and yeah. So let's get started, guys, and ignore the background sound because that's my parents. I am so sorry. I'll put the warning in the title. Okay, well, the first Easter egg locations. Go to the exit right here. You know. And there's going to be one right by this tree. You see the exit? Go to this big tree right here, and there's one right next to that tree. Next one. This one. There's going to be one back here. And if you know what you're doing, then you're going to go inside of here. I better move this real quick. Down to here. Let's see. Alright. Oh, I remember now. When you come inside of the city, you go over here to the sign. There's going to be one on the front of this, okay? Next location. Okay, you go into hot air balloon, right? There's gonna, the Sky Castle? There's gonna be one in the Sky Castle, and there's gonna be one you bungee jump out of the thing where the trampoline is. And there's an egg right down there's a floating egg. There's one on top of the nursery. There's one in the school. There's two in the school. There's one in the baby shop. I think it's in it or on the balcony. And that's all the eggs that I know of. I think. Then I remember where the places are. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I hope I helped, because I am a new YouTuber and I need to start staying in a quiet space. So bye guys.